taking Hunt TV to a whole nother level. TP Outdoors Adventures. Look out!
TP Outdoors Adventures, brought to you by Ryan Chevrolet and by TP Outdoors True Value. Deerpocalypse 2013 continues. Over the last 5 episodes, the TP Outdoors Pro Staff Team has been hunting with a special group of wounded American war heroes. If you missed any of the first 5 episodes, be sure to log on to tpoutdoors.com and watch all of the 2013 Wounded Warrior hunts. On last week's show, Jack Fanning scored on an awesome 8-point buck. This week, Jack's hunt continues, along with heroes Donovan Chapman and VILLEGAS, as all 3 of these real American war heroes are treated to an unbelievable white-tailed deer hunt. 2 Silver Star and Purple Heart recipient VILLEGAS is headed to the ground blind with cameraman Flip Woodall.
It's pretty thick woods.
Not long after getting in the blind, the deer begin to move. Old Flip's running the camera and also has the duty of deciding if the buck meets the club's criteria before Ish can take a shot. This old 7-point looks like he meets cull criteria to me. All Ish needs is for Flip to give him the go-ahead.
He's not a shooter, but he's a good one. Said he's not a shooter, but he's a good one. Yeah.
Flip's starting to sound a lot like Bill, maybe being a little too picky on what buck to take. Next morning, Bill's got Ish and Jack loaded up in the portable blind and headed out for the morning's hunt. After getting some ground pound out, Bill heads over to help Ish finish mounting Jack's gun on its specially designed remote-controlled base.
It's gonna make that noise again. That's 6-point. big one comes out, you shoot it before he gets a chance, and we'll just say he killed it.
No, you wouldn't.
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. No, he's walking right there.
Yeah, he's not shooting. That's a 10-point, bro.
Let's watch him for a minute.
That's a 10-point.
He's big. We don't want a 10 point. 10 points have to be a lot bigger.
Oh, son of a gun.
He's pretty nice.
That is a 10-point. That's a 10-point. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, we're going to say it's a 9 point.
It's a 9-point, yeah.
No, we're going to say bigger than that today.
Let's
see how wide he is when he faces.
Oh, my God.
Come on, big fella.
Come on, baby, come on.
He's looking pretty. He's not very old.
That's an 8-point.
9 point.
Is it 9? Oh, yeah, that is.
5 points, that boy does.
Yeah, I see. He's got 5 on the left side.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting excited.
Very awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to wait and try to wait for something along. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait.
I want something bigger than yours, Jack. I want the monster.
It comes with that spike. They're all coming from that direction. The old ground pound's kicking in. They're smelling it.
Yeah.
The wind must be blowing that direction. They're smelling it come downwind. The parade has begun. Yeah. He's pretty.
Yeah. Easy going. Give me that monster bug. Give me that monster bug.
The morning hunt ends as Bill transports our heroes back to the camp for some lunch, with high hopes for an afternoon hunt.
Jack's having a good old time. It's pretty rough on him, but we're having an awesome time hunting with Jack and Ish. Just an honor to be here with those guys. We didn't see a whole lot of deer this morning, but saw one nice 8-point, I think. Good buck, but not big enough. Just got a big cold front coming through. It's supposed to drop 20 or 30 degrees in less than an hour here around lunchtime. This afternoon, if the rain to get out here, it's going to be good, so we'll get them a deer. Y'all stay tuned for more TP Outdoors Adventures.
After a good lunch, and after a cold front blows through with some rain, Jack heads out hunting with cameraman Chris Porter as Jack hunts for a whitetail doe.
Oh, he's pretty.
I will.
I love just watching him, man.
Man. That's a 10, ain't it?
Can't quite get a...
I think I counted 5 on that one side.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Pretty wide, too.
Oh, son.
There's all the doe at. Well over a decade now. Deployment after deployment after deployment. Wears on you.
Yeah. Well, I mean...
But, you know, this can ease that pain a little bit, you know.
Right.
I mean, even if it's temporary, it's great for them.
getting out in the woods, you know, with your boys and shooting stuff. It's just a good experience.
Doe facing us.
One on the
We
left.
got one behind. Oh, Big Daddy.
Big buck.
He's gonna breed her right there. Now he's gonna eat. Oh man, oh Mojo
He's
Grande.
big. Oh, dude.
No, son.
Looks like Jack's having a great afternoon hunt. Let's go check in on Ish and Bill and see how Ish's hunt is going.
How about the doe the buck's walking up to right there? Is that a doe?
Yeah, I think she's 300.
See, the one in the middle is bigger. What the two right behind it?
Yeah.
So make sure it's not a spike in that side. Kind of worries me.
Wow, what a great afternoon. The deer seem to really be moving. Now, if only an old buck would show himself, Ish will take some fresh venison back to Texas, along with great memories.
He's coming. He's gonna come up here to the tree and he's gonna smell it now. It's a heavy horn deer. That's an old deer there. Look at his nose, this deer close to us. He's got some tires broken off and stuff. And that's an older deer than the other deer down there. Where'd he go? He must have went in the wood. No, there he is. He's behind that tree. Still coming. Heading to the ground. One, two, three, four, five, six. 10 point. That's that 10 point that was out there earlier, I think.
Yeah, I think the same guy.
Yeah. He's a pretty deer. I thought the tall eight was headed this way. He must have cut off in the tree line or something.
Yeah, he cut off right over there.
Ready when you are. Right now, nice. Set.
Dang it. Don't do that much. Come on.
Popper 29. I thought I was fixing to cross in front.
Yeah, come on. Turn this side, turn. Yeah, that's probably good.
Ooh, we had a couple more.
I can hit her in that.
Try it. Either hit me or not.
There it is. Ready.
Yeah. Toasted her. That's a ground roll there. Congratulations, buddy. Good job. Woo! We waited on buck long as we could, and they just would never show up. So we decided just take your old doe.
I'm happy with that one.
You rode her. Good old venison.
Yeah, drop like a
That's what we
rock.
like them to do. Now watch your big boy come out with drop him too. There's an old deer. He's a big bodied deer.
Yeah, he's got a pretty big body on him.
Think he's the same deer or not?
I don't think so. This one looks a lot older.
Why you on him? Shit him.
Alright.
Hold on, wait. Okay.
Taking him. Come on, lift your head. Alright, take
Well, we're going to find out how old he is, ain't we? Good shot. Good job, dude. You just doubled up.
Man.
Wow. As you just saw there, my main man here, him and Jackson doubled up over the weekend. Tripled up now. Oh yeah, he shot a doe, and we thought we'd run everything off. So it was right close to dark. It wasn't just 2 or 3 minutes, and the buck started coming out. And I think a different buck than what we've seen all day long came out, didn't it? Yeah. Man, that was awesome. Congratulations. That's a beautiful deer. We're gonna get in there and go see what it is. It was right at the threshold of legal shooting time, just barely there. You know, the cameras don't pick up the light very well right at dark, so it's just awesome. Appreciate you. Thank you for the service to our country, what you've done for us. Because of guys like you, we'll ever come out here and enjoy the great outdoors, man.
Thank you so much, man.
I appreciate it. I consider you a brother, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. All right, let's go see what we got. All right.
Man, it was a suspenseful evening. We had bucks on us all afternoon, but unfortunately, we're after a doe.
Right.
So, man,
I think we saw 2 hours straight of nothing but bucks and spikes.
Yeah. I mean, we saw some big deer, we saw some spikes, some nubbins, but we saw quite a few big, nice deer.
Finally started getting some doe, but then they were all bunched together, so didn't feel comfortable shooting then. Then we ran out of light.
Yeah, just ran out of light, and you know, I mean, we've still got bucks chasing does all around us.
We actually saw a huge buck, but we're not going after a buck today.
Yeah,
and
so that's the cards we were dealt. So. Well, we're going to get this stuff packed up and get back to camp and get warm. I think we've got some elk for supper tonight. So even though we didn't get any deer, Bill Peters has brought the groceries home in a previous hunt. So we're going to go get warm and go eat some groceries.
That was a good time. Appreciate it, man.
All right, let's see what we got. As old Donovan would say, double kill.
You got them too. They're just 20 yards apart, right across the road between them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's that 10 point. Yep. Beautiful deer though. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Man, what a pretty deer. Wish, buddy. Congratulations, that's a beautiful Mississippi River deer, man. Nice 10 point. Just can't do much better than that. We thought we're shooting 8 point, but you know, it don't matter. It's a beautiful deer. Congratulations. Thank you again for your service to our country.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking care of Jack, taking him on this trip y'all headed on. Dudes, y'all laid the smack down on him, didn't you? Or as Jack would say, I put the scunion on him.
Scunion.
The scunion. Well, anyway, we had a great time. Jack, a couple weeks ago when we hunted there at the Corps of Engineers property at the Deerpocalypse 2013, you know, I promised you we would come back out here and get here and do this, and it just wouldn't work any better. I mean, I'm so proud of both of you guys and so thankful for what y'all have done for our country. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't have this place right here, man. So everybody out there, look, if you can go do something and take care of these veterans, I promise you, you'll get a whole lot more of it out of them, and I know they get a lot out of it. So y'all stay tuned next week for more TP Outdoors Adventures. All right, let's get out of here, go home, get these babies on the wall.
Awesome bunch of people with TP Outdoors. They make us veterans, especially us disabled veterans, feel like we're part of the family, and they really have done a wonderful thing for us this weekend. They had a wonderful, Bill cooked one heck of a prime rib dinner last night, and so that's pretty much my highlight of the whole trip, is to see Jack get his first whitetail buck and see how happy one of my best friends is, and I'm very thankful for my teammate was able to get his first good whitetail buck.
No, I'm proud of my southern ways, working hard all dang day, makes me feel like I'm a better man, makes me feel like I'm a better man. Callous hands always bleeding, feeding kids kids that's always screaming makes me feel like I'm a better man. Makes me feel like I'm a better man. I'll be just fine while the world is going insane. Living up to my name. Hard work, bring it on my way. Graveyard sure don't pay. Make me feel like I'm a better man. It makes me feel like I'm a better man. Come on, I feel the hurt. Oh, I feel the pain. It makes me feel like I'm a better man. It makes me feel like a better man.
Tell everyone to remember our veterans and their families, and prayers for those who are deployed and for those who have been killed in action. Remember them, remember their families and their prayers, and us veterans that are wounded, we could sure use your prayers as well. Once again, I want to say thank you to TP Outdoors, and thank you to Bill Peters for a wonderful time out here. Wonderful experience, some beautiful animals. As in Hawaii we say, mahalo nui aloha.
While the world is going insane, living up to my name. Hard work, bring it on my way. Graveyard sure don't pay. Make me feel like I'm a better man. It makes me feel like I'm a better man. Come on, I feel the hurt. Oh, I feel.
Thanks for watching our Deer Apocalypse 2013 with our Wounded American Heroes. We'll see you next time on TP Outdoors Adventures.
You know I'm proud of my southern ways. Working hard all dang day makes me feel like I'm a better man.
Awesome, buddy.
That's dedicated to my boy Jack for his first kill. Dedicated to my boy Jack on team with. It's awesome to be here, man.